Hey guys, today I want to show you how to make a simple UI scripting in MEL. So, as soon as you get your Maya opened, I'm using Maya version 2015. At the bottom right corner, if you hover over this button and click it, your script editor opens. There's two areas to the script editor. Yours might not have as many tabs as mine does. Don't worry about that. The top area is used for recording all your history that you do in Maya in a scene. Let me just open perspective here so it looks like yours. So if you select even in your outliner one of the cameras, you'll notice that it's all recorded up here, even if you clear your select. Anyway, let's just get right into it. Today I wanted to show you how to make a UI, so that's what we're going to do. First thing I want to do is create a string. Let's make this bigger so you can see it. I'm going to create a string. We use $signs to name our strings. And I'm going to name it tool create. Alright. And it's going to equal this create tool. Simple enough. This is going to help us to call to see if our window exists. And if it does, well, later we're going to delete it. I'll show you. Next, I want a string for our tool name. So we can name our tool. It has to have a name. Otherwise, we don't know what it does or what it's for. So I'm going to name mine UI Control Maker, or just UI tool. Okay, something simple. Alright, so now for what I was talking about. Checking to see if our window exists, and if it does, deleting it. This is for when you say you want to click on the button again to open the tool again, and it has to check if it exists, because if it doesn't do that, it's just going to keep opening the window over and over again. So we need an if statement here, a condition. So if, and we're going to use this right here, little buddy, if our window exists. And it is, oops, if it exists. Well, then delete it. I don't know why it's doing this. Oh, of course. Huh, how strange. Anyway, we want to delete UI tool create. And that's it. That's how you check if it exists, and if it does, that's how you delete it. Alright, next we want to create our actual window. So, window. That's it. That's how you create it. Alright, we gotta give it a title. Oops. Title. Or if you'd like, T for short. And our title is going to be our tool name. which is UI tool. So that's what's going to be displayed on our UI, on our tool. So see how this says script editor up here? That's going to say UI tool. Alright, so we gave it a title, and now let's give it some space. Width, or if you'd like, W for short. I'm going to give mine 500. The same that applies to width and title also applies to height. H for short. I'm going to give mine 500. It's going to be a square. And now, create tool. Tool create. Excellent. Alright, looking good, looking good. And now, to show window. You need to see it, right? End of story. Let's give her a go. Boom. Bob's your apple. Bob's your uncle. What have you. Here's our adjustable UI window. Next time I'll be showing you how to add buttons and functions as well as laying out our tool. Thank you guys. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Smash that like button and have a great day.